Hi and welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word document into PDF format. So we have this Microsoft Word document that we're going to save as PDF. We just need to go in File. When we are in File, select Save As. And after Save As, we should click on browse to select in our computer in which we're going to record it, save our document. So we are on the file in which we are going to save our document. We just select save as type. So we select the type PDF. So then we click on PDF and then click on OK. And now we can say that our document has been saved as PDF file.